Hello everyone, welcome to Grade 2 Second Term Drill on C Phonetics. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. My name is Mr. Darlington. So today we are going to learn the sound and also this. So are you ready to learn with me? Of course, yes. Ride with me. Let's go. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be looking at the sound U. Again, U. And this sound OR. Again, OR. Can you say this yourself? Let's go. Brilliant. Excellent. Now, both sounds are long sound because they have two dots called length marker, and also has a spelling patterns where you can find these sounds. But let's focus on the UE that says U, and also the OR that says O, and we transcribe them together. Ready? Let's go. Let's take words having UE that sounds U. 1. Blue. 2. Glue. 3. Fuel. 4. Sue. 5. Cruel. Now, pronounce it again. Great job! Let's learn to transcribe. But first, you have to know that converting word into phonetic symbol is called transcription. And the lines between the phonetic symbols are called slashes. Simple rules in transcription. Rule 1, don't transcribe with capital letters. Rule 2, the letter C turns K in transcription, and letter K remains K. So, get an exercise book in front of you. Let's learn to transcribe together. Let's transcribe words with sound U. 1. Do. Now, the first thing to do is to write down your slash. Then, you write D. You change your UE to the phonetic symbol U and the sound U. Then close your slash. Number 2, we have do. First, you have to write down your slash and also the sound D. You change your UE to the phonetic symbol U and close your slash. Number 3, clue. You write in your slash, then don't forget your letter C turns K, and also the sound U, and change your UE to the phonetic symbol U and close your slash. Guess you have your pencil with you. Now, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to transcribe flu with the sound U. Let's go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Brilliant! Very simple, right? Let's transcribe words with sound or. Number 1, horn. You write your slash and also the sound. Then you change your OR to the OR sound and write the sound Close your slash. Number 2, scorn. You write your slash and also write the sound S. And don't forget your letter C turns K. And also your OR gives the sound OR. And your sound Then close the slash. Number 3, form. Your slash, then write the sound F, and your OR sounds OR, and the sound Then close your slash. Now I'm going to give you 10 seconds to transcribe fort with the sound OR. Let's go. Excellent! Home drill. Transcribe the following words showing on your screen with sound U, N, OR. And remember, don't transcribe with capital letter. And also your letter C turns K. Cheerio, and you say